You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from Italian and car names as well, this is associated of some cars have this name, let us know. Lusso means luxury in Italian, and that's your Italian pronunciation. You got a double S, therefore you want to stress on that S and make it twice as long. Lusso in English, Lusso. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.